Hey there, this is Ryan Westbury from the Collier Science Office. Sitting here at Naples High School in the green space where we are in the intermission, so to speak, after the big Mercury Transit, and it's about to finish. It's about 1 p.m. here. You can see behind me a lot of the telescopes are vacant at this point because the students are in a pep rally to obviously celebrate the transit of Mercury. And so I'm going to show you some highlights from today, and stay tuned for the big solar or Great American eclipse in 2017, August 21st, 2017, which is where, for the first time in a long time, and for a long time, the United States will experience a total solar eclipse from Oregon all the way to North Carolina. So anywhere between that line is going to have a total solar eclipse. So mark your calendar, and hope to see you there somewhere. Maybe, I don't know. But thanks for tuning in. See ya. So what you're seeing here is the current position of the planets today on May 9th, 2016, and the way the Earth lines up with Mercury in between us and the Sun. And it's a very interesting pathway, as you can see in this diagram here. And coming up here, you can see the current path where it's going to cross at the times, and where it was in 2006. So here are some video fun today. Yeah.
Really well on the whiteboard, along with a couple other sunspots, the smaller ones and the bigger one there. And then we have one final station. That final station is the solar eclipse station for next year, August 21st. And that station has all the eclipse maps for each state. It has the national map. It has students there that are telling other students about next year's eclipse. And we also have a professor of our Astronomical Society there too, and she has pictures of past.
You were probably looking for a reflector. This is a refractor, and this is the erecting prism that's so this is
It's a high.
Clouds, of course.
Oh yeah.
The sun.
the black dot is Mercury, the white ball is the sun, and the other spots are sunspots.
The sun. Watch out, all rays and stuff.
Mr. Thomas, tell us what's going on over here.
This is a solar projected image. It's a one-of-a-kind projector. Light bounces off a concave mirror, goes through a huge lens, and there's an image put on this board, and I'd say somewhere around 150 feet is where the projector is from the image. And it's a really great way for students to see it, see sunspots, and see a transit like this. And it's really good if you want to see an eclipse. Okay, when the new moon comes in front of the sun. So you can get a lot of people around this board instead of lining up and look through the telescope.
Gotcha.
And then right here is the Mercury. And you can see the size of Mercury compared to the size of the sun. There are 157 Mercuries that you could put across here, so you can see that the sun must be enormously big. This sunspot right there are intense regions of magnetic fields. They don't let the hot gases get to the surface. So since the hot gases don't get to the surface, this dark area right there is actually a cooler area on the sun, about 1,000 degrees cooler. And so 1,000 degrees cooler looks dark with the white image since it's an intense region. What this sunspot will do is it will move. It won't be here the next day. It will keep moving because the sun rotates. It's a huge ball of gas that rotates. So you come back tomorrow and the sunspot will not be in the same location. You'll have other sunspots will appear and then disappear on a regular cycle. But what we have this board up today for is to look at Mercury, okay, coming in front of the sun, which is a really rare event. The last one that happened in 2006. The one now, of course, is 2016. The next one is 2019, and then 2032. So you can see that it doesn't happen that often. Even though Mercury comes in front of the sun every 4 months, it's usually too high or too low and doesn't come right in between the Earth and Sun, so you can see it, okay, on the solar disk.
Very cool. Thanks, Bart. So thanks for checking out the video today, and don't forget the Great American Eclipse, August 21st, 2017. And mark your calendar. Hope to see you there. And there's Mercury crossing by the sun today. Great event. Thank you.